Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, June 8th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And just a reminder, tonight we'll be having our live chat at 8 p.m. So definitely check that out. We're likely going to be going over the heavy rainfall event that is going to be on the way for tomorrow morning, which we'll talk about in just a moment. And also a pesky backdoor cold front for the middle of next week. This morning, though, mix of clouds throughout the region. We have, as the sun is starting to rise, we call it a mix of sun and clouds. More fogged as you head out towards Long Island with some pesky showers. The bulk of the rainfall is now lifting into New England and heading towards Boston. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 60s over your far northern interior, mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, and upper 60s to lower 70s in your urban areas, lower to mid 70s down towards southern New Jersey, with a southerly wind along the coast and a northwesterly wind over the interior. I bet you can find where our cold front boundary is, which is right about here. And you can see that really nicely here on our surface map and showers. Again, the observations are updated to the second, and this is updated every 3 hours or so. So you could put this frontal boundary right about where this trough is now. And now we're going to be watching this wave of low pressure and these areas of convection or thunderstorms that are going to be lifting towards our area by the time we get to late tonight through tomorrow morning. And it looks like we're going to be dealing with some very heavy rainfall from these showers and thunderstorms for the rush hour, especially for the New York City metro on through Long Island and Connecticut. Philadelphia looks like the worst of the rainfall might actually clear out before we actually start the rush hour. So that's certainly possibly some good news there. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. On the latest visible satellite picture, our frontal boundary is basically stalled out for now. We're going to have a mix of sun and clouds as a result. We'll continue that throughout the day. Can't rule out an isolated shower because of our frontal boundary possibly sparking off a shower or two. On the infrared satellite picture, there is our complex of showers and thunderstorms with a new wave of low pressure heading our way. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Mix of sun and clouds. Look for temperatures to rise into the lower to mid 70s over the far northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, our wave of low pressure will approach with periods of rain. Now, it looks like the steadiest rainfall is going to be setting up from the Poconos through the Catskills and into the Hudson River Valley. The Philadelphia metro will get some moderate rainfall, and then as this low pressure system approaches, it's going to be intensifying, producing heavier rainfall and some embedded thunderstorms for the New York City metro through Long Island and Connecticut. And that's going to lead to rainfall amounts anywhere from 1 to 2 inches right at the perfect time of rush hour tomorrow morning, say between 7 and 9 a.m. The Philadelphia metro can expect rainfall from about 5 to 7 a.m. So as a result, the worst of the conditions will be clearing out in time for the Philadelphia morning rush hour, but not for the New York City morning rush hour. And the same is true for the northern interior. Temperatures tomorrow morning will fall off into the upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast, mid to upper 60s in your urban areas. For tomorrow afternoon, the showers clear out. Look for clearing skies towards evening, with high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover to clear skies. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, we'll have a wave of low pressure that's approaching. Now, this looks to be more suppressed than what was earlier expected. So we're still looking for scattered showers, especially as you head towards the coast, less so as you head towards the interior, more isolated to widely scattered. With a northeasterly wind and cloudy skies, look for temperatures on Saturday to range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, upper 60s to mid 70s along the coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, high pressure will take hold with Clear skies and tranquil conditions. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday and Tuesday, a series of weak troughs will pass through with the threat for a few widely scattered isolated showers and scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior and lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Then on Wednesday, a backdoor cold front will set itself up with periods of showers around the frontal boundary. Now, where this sets up will be key in terms of where we're going to see the showers. The further southwest it is, the more likely you'll have scattered cloud cover over Connecticut and Long Island, while periods of showers will be lingering around Philadelphia. If it's further northeast, then you could take all this rainfall shifting towards basically New York City Metro and Connecticut and southern New England. So we'll have to see exactly where this boundary sets up, but it will be unsettled. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast and over much of Connecticut, and mid to upper 70s around Philadelphia. Now, if this boundary ends up a little bit further north and east, then we'll be talking about temperatures pushing into the 80s and possibly touching 90 degrees. So we'll have to watch out for that, because this is going to be one very impressive backdoor cold front with a impressive thermal gradient setting up as a result. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.